Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today I have an epic unboxing for you from Fugitive Toys. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you like this post? It'll help out the channel a lot and I would really appreciate it. Alright, YouTube, so I ordered this box from Fugitive Toys about a year ago. Yeah, there was so many other pops, you know, like SDCC and NYCC, that I didn't get a chance to open this yet. But it's been a year, and let's find out if there's a grail in here. Alright, YouTube, I unpacked all of the Funko Pops from Fugitive Toys. There's 9 of them, and we're gonna start with the lowest valued pop. Ego number 205. This is a Pop Marvel from Guardian of the Galaxy, Volume 2. And if you don't know who Ego is, he is a god, a planet. Well, he's Star-Lord's father, that's for sure. And if you haven't seen Guardian of the Galaxies yet, I'm gonna shut up right here so you can go watch it because it's a dope movie. 4 out of 4. And here is Star-Lord's father out of the box. And I'll let you enjoy Ego out of the box. I bought this second pop because it completes my Knight of Ren set. Knight of Ren Heavy Blade number 335. This is a pop Star Wars. And if you don't know who the Knight of Ren are, they are an enclave of masked warriors who serve Kylo Ren, Master of the Knights of Ren and Supreme Leader of the First Order. And here's Knight of Ren Heavy Blade out of the box. And you can see why he's called Heavy Blade. And I'll let you enjoy Knight of Ren out of the box. I'm not sure what the value of this next pop is because it's not even in the app. Wu Jing number 87. This is a Pop Asia from the Journey to the West. And if you don't know who Wu Jing is, he is Sun Wukong's little brother from another mother. And he's also a Buddhist monk. My little sister recently became a gamer, so I bought her this pop. Breaking news! I forgot to record the Hello Kitty close-up, so this is an announcement for this giveaway I'm doing on my Instagram. Vaulted Collectibles and myself collaborated to give away a Vaulted Mystery Box. So check out my Instagram for a chance to win a Vaulted Funko Pop. Link in the description. This next pop is for the Boba fans. Boba Fett Prototype number 8. This is a Pop Star Wars, and it's a Walgreens exclusive. And this Boba Fett's dope because he's all white. Hit the like button if you're a part of the Autobots. Bumblebee number 102. This is a Pop Movies from the movie Transformers. And if you don't know who Bumblebee is, he is an Autobot. And this one is only at Walmart. Here's my favorite Saiyan doing his iconic special. Vegeta number 669. This is a pop animation from the animated series Dragon Ball Z. And this Vegeta is a NYCC exclusive. And in this scene, Vegeta is doing the Big Bang attack. And here he is, out of the box. I'll let you enjoy him, out of the box. Here is one of my favorite vampire movies of all time. Blade number 192. This is a Pop Marvel and it's also a movie. And this is a PX Previews exclusive. So YouTube, what do you think about all these Funko Pops so far? Were they dope? If it was dope, make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, could you subscribe and turn on the notification button so you can get notified when I upload another epic unboxing. And for the ones who didn't think it was epic yet, I have something for you. Storm Shadow number 43. This is a pop animation from the animated series G.I. Joe. And it just so happens that this Storm Shadow has increased in value. I bought this for around $40 and it has gone up to $140. Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. Which one was your favorite? My favorite is the Storm Shadow because it turned into a grail. And if you haven't liked the video yet, could you like it, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get notified when I upload another epic unboxing. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Oh, but hold up, have you seen last week's episode? We do a patch update for my Pop Games Pokemon collection. And a quick reminder, if you follow me on Instagram since I got last week, you qualify for the Pokemon X Funko Friends giveaway. So make sure you go on my Instagram and sign up. And the next one is recommended to you from YouTube. Peace.